Okay, I'll try to be fast. First of all, it's a small wedding, and so we've invited our just closest friends and relatives, and so I feel kind of like for me to tell you guys thank you for being here is a little ridiculous, because of course you are the ones who would be here because you are the closest people in our lives, but thank you very much. And I want to especially say thank you to my parents. My father is not here with us, but he loved me very much, and I feel like he taught me a lot of things, and that really set me in the right direction for my life. And my mother also taught me a lot about being independent and confident through my life. And even now, it may seem like she doesn't have that much to teach me, but she's taught me a lot about perseverance and strength. And Ed has set the bar ridiculously high for Stefan. I feel sorry for Stefan. But you have showed me what a husband and a man should be like. And I have a very high bar for who I chose, which didn't leave a very big opening, but Stefan has been able to fill that. And my brothers, you guys are the best siblings. My twin brother Michael and my older brother John. I think probably on a weekly basis, thank God I'm not an only child. And I didn't have sisters growing up. However, I never felt like I was missing anything because I had my cousins, Mary, Nancy, and Annie, who were just like sisters growing up. I spent so much time with you guys, and you guys were such wonderful role models, which brings me to your parents. Thank you, Ima and Uncle Charlie, for putting up with me growing up. Now as an adult, and I have my own nephew, I understand how much work that was, and you had your 3 daughters, and you were very happy to welcome me over anytime I wanted to come, and I really, really appreciate that and love you guys. And Uncle Greg and Aunt Linda, thank you so much for making the trip from Texas. And it means so much to me to have close relatives with on my mother's side to spend time with, and I'm so happy that you guys came and you get to spend time with my mom as well. And all of my friends that are here, Rob and Cara and Liz and Kelly and Greg, it's just, you guys are just like family. And then Katie and Kristen, you guys are my best friends in the world. And Susie for officiating. It's like ridiculous for me to say thank you for being here, but thank you so much for being here. And then so Lydia and Mitchell and Jennifer and Stacy. So that's another thing is I didn't have sisters, but I have 2 sister-in-laws now. I have cousins, and then Patty and Rosa and Lily are, I just feel like I have more sisters than brothers, to tell you the truth. And Mitchell and Lydia, thank you so much for all that you've done for me over the years. Your generosity is remarkable, and I feel so loved, and to say I enjoy spending time with you is an understatement. It's so wonderful to be a part of your family and to be able to spend time with you. And then the last thing is, Stefan, you are just better than anybody that I could have imagined. And when we said that out of free choice we choose to marry each other, it's just, it was the easiest choice for me to make. You're so patient and generous, and I just want to say thank you, because we probably don't ever really get a chance to say that.